Military tests of the Ukrainian drone Skynetua. Hello, friends. Today I want to tell you about our latest project, the Skynetua drone. We conducted many tests, including attacks by means of electronic warfare, such as anti-drone guns and stationary EU complexes. And I am pleased to report that Skynetua proved to be invulnerable to them. We also used EU means that were developed to protect the western regions of Ukraine, and Skynetua successfully overcame them. We are confident that Skynetua can be very useful in various fields, including military operations, where protection against electronic warfare is extremely important. We look forward to the opportunity to showcase Skynetua in action on battlefields and other operations. But for now, we will continue to work on improving and refining this drone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new about our Skynetua drone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the latest news about our developments. See you next time.